Let us now begin with the poem Coromandel Fishers.
Sarojini Naidu, often referred to as the Nightingale of India, was a prominent Indian poet known for her lyrical and evocative poetry. Her works, which often explored themes of love, patriotism, and nature, were celebrated for their rich language and emotional depth. Naidu's poetry played a significant role in the Indian literary and nationalist movements during the early 20th century, and she remains a revered figure in Indian literature.
Rise, brothers, rise. The wakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the sea. No longer delay. Let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives? He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade, and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full o' the moon, with the sound of the voices we love. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray, and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge, where the low sky mates with the sea. Verge or seema means edge, border or extreme limit. Mates or samil vaha means meets or joins. The author of this poem is Sarojini Naidu, who was also known as the Nightingale of India. Let us begin with the English workshop activities for this poem.